mountains rise in silent grace, and clouds drift low through open space. Turnagain Pass unfolds its view, a land of silver, white and blue. Along the Seward highways bend, where rugged peaks and valleys blend. The traveler pauses, drawn to see Alaska's wild serenity. The wind still whispers stories old of prospectors brave and winters cold, of sled dogs tracing paths once known, across a land both fierce and lone. Here runs a treasure trail at last, through 6 historic miles of pass, a segment of the Iditarod Way, where echoes of the past still stay. In summer's glow the wildflowers bloom, painting color across nature's room, while salmon streams and eagles soar above the valleys evermore. When winter drapes its snowy veil, the mountains guard the ancient trail, and every rich and frozen stream appears as if within a dream. Turnagain Pass, both wild and grand, a masterpiece by nature's hand, where every mile and every view reveals Alaska strong and true. Red for the courage that carried the day, when patriots stood and would not walk away. Through trials and battles, through sacrifice too, they planted the seeds of the red, white and blue. White for the hope that still brightly shines, for freedom and faith through the passing of time, a promise enduring, steadfast and true, woven forever in the red, white and blue. So let the bells of freedom ring, let grateful hearts together sing, for America's story still years alive. Blue for the heavens stretched over this land, for dreamers and builders who lent us their hands. From mountains to shorelines and amber fields too, united beneath the red, white, and blue. Now fireworks blossom across the night sky as 250 years proudly pass by. Their colors reflect what our forefathers knew, the strength of the red, white, and blue. So let the bells of freedom ring, let grateful hearts together sing. For America's story still survives, 250 years alive. From villages small to great cities bright, families gather in patriotic delight. Old stories are shared and new memories grew, all under the red, white, and blue. The flag gently dances in warm summer air, a symbol reminding us all to take care of liberty's blessing entrusted to few, yet carried by many in the red, white, and blue. So let the bells of freedom ring, let grateful hearts together sing. For America's story still survives, 250 years alive. 2 centuries past and a half-century more, yet freedom still stands upon history's shore. Its light still shines brightly, inspiring and true, like the stars in the red, white, and blue. So let us proudly proclaim our gratitude deep for America's name. For the past we remember, the future we pursue, bound together by the red, white, and blue. And may generations yet still come to see the value of faith, hope, and liberty, as America's story continues anew, forever beneath the red, white, and blue.
Across the rugged Alkin, where the fireweed starts to bloom, we rode our home on wheels away from city noise and gloom. With a map spread on the dashboard and the coffee steaming hot, we found a kind of freedom that the lower states forgot. RVing Alaska with friends, chasing the end of the road again, where the mountains lean in close, make you whistle when you roll. We rode our home on wheels, away from city noise and gloom, to where the fireweed, starts to bloom. shadow of the mountains, where the peaks are tipped with white. The sun refused to settle in the middle of the night. We parked beside the copper streams and watched the eagles soar, while the spirit of the wilderness came knocking at our door. RVing Alaska with friends, chasing the end of the road again, where the mountains lean in close, make you whistle when you roll. We rolled our home on wheels, away from city noise and gloom, to where the fireweed starts to bloom. Winding passes where the glaciers meet the sky, we shared the jokes of decades as the miles went rolling by, with a campfire sparking embers and the steaks on the grill.